Welcome students once again in the class of Pathak sir for mathematics. Dear students, I noticed one thing in my teaching experience that students always remain confused, always feel headache in some concepts, in some topics of every chapter. In during their studies, most of the topics, most of the concepts be clear to them, but still some topics, some concepts, some type of questions, they never be clear. Due to this reason, their confidence is decreased, and in IIT JEE exams, they fail to solve the questions based on these concepts and topics. And most of the time, these concepts and these topics be very important for exam point of view. So I decided I will only discuss those topics, those concepts of every chapter which create headache for students. Okay? So in my first video, I am going to discuss graph of a quadratic expression. This is very important topic. By drawing the graph of a quadratic expression, we come to know when quadratic expression will be positive, when it will be negative, when it will be zero, maximum and minimum value of a quadratic expression. So many questions are asked in our IIT JEE exams on this topic. So this is a very important topic. So today I am going to discuss graph of a quadratic expression. So let us start. First of all, our quadratic expression be y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. This is our quadratic expression. Now what I will do, first of all, I will make perfect square of this quadratic expression. We will make perfect square of this quadratic expression. How we will make perfect square? Take a common. So this will be x square plus b upon a into x plus c upon a, like this. Okay. Now I will make perfect square of this inside bracket. I will make perfect square inside bracket. To make perfect square, what we will do? Add and subtract b square upon 4a square inside this bracket. Okay? Add and subtract b square upon 4a square inside this bracket. Now question arises, how we know we will add and subtract b square upon 4a square? How we know? So for this, we have studied this concept in previous classes in 9th and 10th. Method of making perfect square. Okay? So what we do to make perfect square? Take middle term divided by 2x and do whole square. Okay? So see what is the middle term. This is our middle term, b upon a into x. So b upon a into x divided by 2x whole square. Okay. So x is cancelled out. So this will be b upon 2a whole square equals to b square upon 4a square. Okay. Now we will add and subtract this b square upon 4a square. So this is the method of finding what we will add and what we will subtract. Okay. So now I come to our main topic. So add x square plus b upon a into x. Add b square upon 4a square. Subtract b square upon 4a square plus c upon a. Correct? Okay. Now you can see these three makes a perfect square. These three terms are making a perfect square. This is the perfect square of these terms are perfect square of x plus, okay, x plus b upon 2a, x plus b upon 2a whole square. These three terms are the perfect square of x plus b upon 2a whole square. Okay. Now take minus sign common in these two. Take minus sign common and 4a square as LCM. Okay. So what will be in the numerator? B square and take LCM minus 4ac. Okay. Okay. Clear to you? Now what I will do? Multiply by this a inside. So this will be a x plus b upon 2a whole square minus b square minus 4ac divided by 4a. Multiply by this a. Correct? Now you can see this b square minus 4ac is a discriminant. Okay, this is what discriminant. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Correct? Now I will put d here in place of b square minus 4ac. I will put d. So I am taking new page. So I go to new page. So y equals to a x plus b upon 2a whole square minus d upon 4a. I put d in place of b square minus 4. Now take this d upon 4a in left hand side. So y plus d upon 4a equals to a into x plus b upon 2a whole square. Now divide by this a in left hand side. So this will be 1 upon a y plus d upon 4a equals to x plus b upon 2a whole square. Correct? Now I will write like this: x plus b upon 2a whole square equals to 1 upon a y plus d upon 4. Correct? Now if I write capital X in place of this x plus 2b upon 2a, I will write capital X. So 1 upon a. And I will write capital Y in place of this. Okay? So this form you get, and you can see easily this is the form of x square equal to 4ay. This is the form of x square equal to 4ay. So this is what? This is a parabola. Okay, you know this is a parabola. Now we have no. we have learned that quadratic expression, graph of a quadratic expression is a parabola. Okay, so we know this is equation of parabola, and this equation is formed from quadratic expression, correct? So quadratic expression, graph of quadratic expression is a parabola. So graph of a quadratic expression is a parabola, correct? Graph of a quadratic expression is a parabola. Okay, now I will find the vertex of this parabola. What will be the vertex? Okay, so how we find the vertex of any parabola? Put this portion inside the bracket, put equal to 0. Put this portion equal to 0. X plus b upon 2a equal to 0. X plus b upon 2a equal to 0. So we get x equals to minus b upon 2a, correct? Now also put this right hand side, this portion inside bracket also equal to 0. This is the method of finding vertex. Put also this portion equal to 0. So we will get y equals to minus d upon 4a, correct? So this is our vertex, okay? This is our vertex. So our vertex will be, value of x is minus b upon 2a and value of y is minus d upon 4a. Here d is what? D is discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is the vertex of parabola. So today we learn graph of a quadratic expression. So we came to know graph of a quadratic expression is a parabola, and also we came to know vertex of parabola. Vertex of this parabola will be minus d upon 4a comma, minus b upon 2a, comma, minus d upon 4a. D is discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. So I will keep this video up to this point, otherwise video will be longer. So in next video we will learn some more concepts related to this chapter. So keep watching, keep learning. All the best for future.